dog goes woof, 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 barking loud, can you hear it too? Two little cats go meow, 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 purring soft, let's count them now. Three little cows go moo, 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 grazing slow. 1, 2, 3. 4 little birds go tweet, 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 flying high, so very sweet. 5 little frogs go ribbit, 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 jumping in the pond, let's count a bit. 6 little sheep go baa, 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 in the field, near and far. 7 little ducks go quack, 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 swimming around, no turning back. 8 little pigs go oink, 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 rolling in the mud, what a point. 9 little bees go buzz, 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 flying to the flowers just because. 10 little chicks go peep, 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 hatching from the eggs, so very sweet. Count the animals 1 to 10. Let's start over and count again. Hatching from the eggs, so very sweet. Count the animals 1 to 10. Let's start over and count again.